Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT featuring an Oxford white with a black interior. Under the hood it sits a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, as well as Sirius XM, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have powered windows and mirrors. Power lock and unlock, of course, tons of storage space down below, and here are the seats. Down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left here, you'll find the lighting controls as well as the power park brake and adjustable pedals. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side is our cruise control, as well as the cluster controls, as you can see up top. And to the right are Bluetooth and audio. Here is the cluster. And taking a look at the infotainment screen, starting off with our audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. And we can throw it in reverse. Check out the backup camera. Just below that, we have the radio controls and climate controls down below, including the heated front seats. In the very bottom here, we have two USBs with some extra storage, two cup holders, of course, and the center console. Popping that open, storage up top as well as down below. Top, you'll find the rear view mirror. Just above that, two dome lights, place to hold your sunglasses as well. And here is the other side of the vehicle. Exterior, here are the wheels, trim badging along the side, black mirror caps and color matched door handles. You'll also find a privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can take a look at the side profile. Making our way to the back here. Of course, we have the Ford and F-150 badging, and we can take a look inside the box. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, tons of little storage space, and here are the seats. And we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle here we have our rear vents, 12-volt plug-in, as well as two USBs and a 3-prong outlet. Just off the sides here, of course, we have the handles, dome light in the middle, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.